So hi everyone, today we are going to talk about the SPJ in Mumbai. In this video, you'll get the college overview, connectivity, eligibility, program offered and fees, CAT and GMAT overview, selection process, cut-off marks, placement, hostel and mess and direct admission. So we are going to talk about the everything. Before we move ahead, I would like to request you to go through with this disclaimer. Okay, I hope you have read this. Now, let's move ahead. What about SPJIMR, that is established in 1981, private autonomous college and Andheri West Mumbai, NAC A double plus grade, consistently ranked among top B schools in India, also accredited with AACSB, which is a global ranking, AMBA and EQUIS, okay, placing SPJIMR top 1%. This institute is in top 1% in global ranking. ठीक है. If you talk about the connectivity, that is near to the Mumbai International Airport, around 6 to 8 kilometers, which will take 15 to 20 minutes by cab. Andheri railway station is around 3 to 4 kilometers away, which will take around 10 to 50 kilometers by road. What about the eligibility? So you must have passed your graduation with at least 50% aggregate when it comes to a general category and 45% when it's come to the STSC or OBC category, which is reserved category. What will be the selection process? You'll get call according to your CAT or GMAT score. CAT is for India and GMAT is a global management aptitude test. So it is also accepted by many eminent institutions around the world like Gates Business School, Harvard and all and all. Okay. So you'll get call based on the score, and the selection process will be the composite score of GDPI and all. Okay, all right. We'll talk about the selection process later in this video. So what program it offers and what is the fees? So PGDM in marketing, finance, operation and supply chain management, information management, and the business management. The fees for business management is around 27 lakh rupees, and the fees for rest is around 22.5 lakh rupees. Now, what is the difference between PGDM and MBA? So, the applicability for both of the programs are the same, but the MBA is provided by the university, which is recognized from the UGC. The PGDM is provided by the AICT approved institution, okay, not the university. So, I hope you have got to know the difference between the PGDM and MBA. What about the CAT and GMAT? So, if you look around the CAT examination, which is going to be held next month, I guess in November 30, okay? So, online exam, there will be 120 minutes you will get, total question will be 68. So, for CAT examination, if you want to know everything, the syllabus, the syllabus and all, so I am going to give you the link in the I button in this video, so you can go and check out the video, and GMAT you can go through with the written content. I don't want to waste your time. What will be the selection process? There will be overall profile plus academic background plus work experience if any plus entrance score plus versatility and achievement if you have achieved anything in the sports or science or math and all. So ये सारी चीजें देख के आपको फाइनल सिलेक्शन दिया जाएगा. What about the cutoff marks? If you are getting around 85 percentile in GMAT or CAT, so you are most probably getting calls from the SPJIMR. Okay, all right. What is the placement for the colleges? College. What are the placement for the college? So the average CTC is around 33 LPA, which is more than the fees you are paying. Okay. So which is more of the fees you are paying. The median is around 31.50 and highest is 81 LPA. So highest हमेशा बढ़ेगा ही. I think there will be 20% around growth in this year as well. So there are 110 pre-placement offer and 240 participate is for the uh, placement. ठीक है. What about the hostel mess? So around 2,45,000 rupees will be the fees for the mess and hostel both. If you want anything about this PJIMR, any information or syllabus or the admission process, you can call us for the same number. If you want direct admission in SIBM or Symbiosis or V School, we will help you to get the admission over there. सो प्लीज़ कॉल अस फॉर दैट पर्पस। आई होप गाइस आपको 3 मिनट में सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल गई है। सो थैंक यू गाइस, हैव अ गुड टाइम, गुड बाय। यू कैन सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल फॉर द मोर। थैंक यू।